Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Ken Omolo, and on today's video I want us to do a challenge on the Quotex trading platform. So my account has $4 only. If you are joining us for the first time, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Also make sure you turn on the notification button so that when I do more videos you will be the first one to get notified. So my account balance has $4 only, and I want to grow it and see how far I can go with it. Okay, so what do I do here? I need to come up with a strategy that we can use to make money with this account. Okay, so from $4 I don't know how much we can make out of it, but we'll just see at the end of this video. So make sure you watch this video to the end so that you find out how much we make in the end. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is to choose assets that we are going to be trading. I want to trade OTC assets, so I'll just click on each of them. I'm trading OTC because I've noticed that they are the only assets that have a rate of return of at least 80%, and I only want to trade on assets with 80%. So I'll just click on all of them and add them to my chart. So those are the OTC pairs that are available on this platform. I'll just look at them one by one before we come up with the strategy that we'll be using for this challenge. So the strategy that I want to use is very simple. I want to use support and resistance levels, and I'll be trading at the support level and the resistance levels, and the indicator that I want to use is the Donchian channel indicator. So we'll add the Donchian channel. It has well-defined bands. The upper band is our resistance level, the lower band is our support level, and the middle band is just a moving average that shows us the direction of the asset. And it can also act as a resistance level if price is below it, and it can also act as a resistance level if price is above it. So literally what we'll be doing is we'll be buying on these levels and selling on these levels. But you also notice that sometimes price goes and touches the lower band, and instead of going back, bouncing back like it should, it continues going down. So to make sure that we don't get caught up in such a scenario where the price of this asset, instead of going up after reaching the lower band, it goes down, we will add a different indicator. And the indicator that I want us to use for this one, the indicator that I want us to use for confirmation would be, let's take something that deals with volume. So let's take Weis wave. Let me just do a bit of an explanation about this before you continue. With the Weis wave, when you see the red bars form together like they are bundled up on this level here, it means that there is a strong trend. If it is red, it is a downtrend, and if it is green, it is up. Look at these levels where it was stronger. If you look at the price on the chart, it continued moving in the direction of that volume. Okay, so the next indicator that I want us to have, let's use three different indicators. One is for volume, the second one will be for confirming if an asset is overbought or oversold, because again, if we will be trading on these levels, then it means that we will be trading reversals rather than trend continuations. So let's add a different indicator. The third indicator that I want us to add would be the RSI or the STC. Which one do we go for, STC or RSI? We've already used RSI in the past. I've never used STC on this channel, so let's try that too. So literally when you set up the STC on your chart, this is what you see. You see two levels, 0.75 and 0.25. Each of these levels represent when the price is oversold and when the price is overbought. When it is overbought, you'll see this moving average above the 0.7 level, and when it is oversold, you will see it below the 0.25 level. The other amazing thing that we also see with the STC indicator is it changes color from green to red if a reversal is beginning. For example, if you look at it from this level, it was a downtrend. Then when price moves up, you see that the STC turns green, and now price went up to the top and it started moving down again, and now we see it's changed color to red. So these are the three indicators that we'll be using. Again, in summary, just to remind you guys of what we'll be looking for, we will be trading reversals. For example, an area like this where the price has gone to the lower band of the Donchian channel and it reverses and takes a different turn to go up. It makes even better entry if there is a lot of volume in the market, and the STC corresponds with the color that we are looking for. For example, if the market is going up, obviously it should be green, and we should look at STC and confirm that the STC is also showing green. For example, if you look at the market at this level here, price has reached the lower band, it is already moving up. We can see that there is volume gathering here, and the last thing that we are waiting for to open our trade is now the change of color of the STC from red to green. If you look at this chart again, the time frame of this chart is 1 minute. Look at the time duration that we'll be trading. It is 5 minutes, and if you look at the trade amount, we are using $2, which is very high considering the account only has $4. So we'll just do $1. $1 is okay for that. Even though the explanation that I gave for this video was for trend reversals, I ended up getting some very nice entries for trend continuation and traded them. If you missed that part, hit the rewind button and watch it again. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, go ahead and subscribe, and also don't forget to turn on the notification button so that when we do more videos about trading, you will be the first one to get notified. Until next time, bye bye. My name is Genomolo.